So guys, welcome to my channel Yo Bhai. So I am Ayon here. So today I have came in Ultodanga. There's a dhaba here. The name is Bengal Dhaba. So basically the ground floor is called as Bengal Dhaba and the first floor is called as Bengal Lounge. So the Bengal Dhaba is currently booked by some other people for some kind of occasion. So we are just going to the first floor in the Bengal Lounge. So I am here with my mom and dad. So I hope they will serve the Bengal Dhaba food as well in the Bengal Lounge. So let's just find it out about the ambience, about the food quality and everything. So till then, keep rocking.
Yeah.
So guys, just for refreshment, I just ordered this melon sour. This is a mocktail. So let me just try it out. How does it taste like?
Yeah.
It's very chilled in taste, very much chilled, and this watermelon inside. And I just love this, and this is okay. So guys, we have here honey chili potato. So let me just taste it out. How does it taste like? It's not so much crispy. It's very soft. I can feel the honey as well. So it's a bit chilly as well. So it's like both tossed with this sauce and all. So I am just tasting this and getting a different taste. So I am loving it. I hope you guys will love it as well. So guys, now we have a veg starter in paneer. You can see here, this is paneer malai tikka. So let me just try it out. How does it taste like? It's being garnished with malai cheese. Then this is a baked paneer with hara bhara chutney with some carrots, chili, lemon as well. So let's just taste it out. I have experienced paneer malai tikka a lot before also. This is a pretty unique taste, and the malai is awesome. It's very creamy, it's very cheesy, and it's perfect. So now the veg is gone and it's in my stomach as well. So now I am going to try a non-veg starter. So I just ordered murg malai tikka. So here you can see the dish is being nicely garnished with the malai, the cream, the cheese. This has also the same thing, the hara bhara chutney with some garnish with some carrots, green chili, lemon as well. So let me just try it out. How does it taste like? It's very soft, very awesome. I have also tried malai tikka before, but the malai is perfect here. You just need to dip it with the green sauce, and overall it's perfect. It's nice, awesome. So guys, finally we have entered into the main course section. So we have here kadai veg, kadai murg. We also have butter naan. We also have tandoori roti as well. But I am going to try butter naan with kadai veg and kadai murg. So I have already taken the same in my plate. As you can see, this is the butter naan, this is the kadai veg, and this is the kadai murg. So let me just try it out. How does it taste like? Yeah, kadai veg is nice. It's a bit of spicy. It's good in taste. It has capsicum, it has corn, and lots of other veggies as well. Let me just try the murg. It's buttery in taste. It's very juicy, and with butter nut, I'm loving the kadai murg. It's a bit of spicy as well, but I am loving it. I am completely satisfied, So it's perfect. So finally, after eating a lot of food, starter, main course and all, finally I am here with my dessert. So I just ordered a rabdi. So as you can see, it's a big ball with plain, with the quantity is so much. So let's just taste it out. This is awesome. I have eaten a lot of rabdi in different places as well, but this one is awesome. It just melted in my mouth, and the sweet is perfect. Everything is perfect, and I will call it as a perfect taste. So our food is all over, and I just asked for the bill now. So they have provided the toothpick, the mouth freshener in a nice taxi. So this is awesome. This is a unique thing which I am seeing right now. So guys, I am loving the ambience here. The ambience is pretty awesome, and it's being decorated with lights and all. The most beautiful thing which I personally love here is it has a Ketli light at top of our head. So this is basically a lounge. So before coming here, I was just researching in Zomato that any nearby newest places to visit, new place to do a vlog and all. So I came here today with my mom and dad. So my mom is actually behind the camera. She is just shooting me. So this launch has alcohol facilities as well. So if you guys, any one of you like prefer to have a bit of drink, or you may have a beer or a cocktail, anything you love, you can have it in the launch. It has a dhaba which is just downstairs. So overall, it's a nice ambience. So it's not so cozy. It's very spacious, and in this COVID situation, every people want a spacious place where you can, you can just sit apart. One thing I must say that I didn't like is that they didn't check our temperature at the entrance. But okay, that's I'm putting it aside as of now because it's very empty. But the sound which I am hearing right now is very noisy because there's a birthday party going on. So that is the reason the noise is so loud here. But overall, I will say it's nice and perfect. You guys can come here, you guys can enjoy a lot, you can have lots of food, you can enjoy the dhaba food as well. I must say the service is a bit slow, not too much, because of this birthday party, they are just busy with them only. But that's not a big deal for me. I am just enjoying with my family. So you guys also come here, you guys also enjoy with your friends, family, and have a nice day out here in Bengal Lounge as well as in Bengal Dhaba. So if you guys just love the video, do hit the like button once, do share the video as much as you can, and also don't forget to click on the subscribe button as well, because you know I am going to publish a lot more videos and it will just hit in your mobile or laptop or whatever you have, just you will get the notification and all. So that's all for today. So I'm enjoying this swing, it's very perfect. So keep rocking, khao piyo और ऐश करो. Bye bye guys.